Hey everyone, let's learn a new English word together. Today we're talking about cower. First, let's think about a feeling we all know. What happens when you get really, really scared? You know that feeling when you just want to shrink and become tiny to hide from something scary? Well, guess what? English has a perfect word for that feeling. And that word is cower. So, to cower means to make your body small because you're very, very afraid of something. Okay, so how do we actually use it? Let's check out a couple of examples right here. But wait, be careful. There's another word, cow, that sounds similar but is totally different. As a verb, to cow someone means to scare them, so they'll do what you want them to do. So you see the big difference? To cower is to feel fear. To cow is to cause fear. See this first sentence? The journalist refused to be scared or cowed by the threat. You know what really helps? A short story. Let's see how these two words work. Okay, picture this. A great big dog starts barking really loudly at a tiny little cat. The poor cat is so scared, right? So it starts to cower in the corner, making itself small. And the dog? It's trying to cow the cat. It wants to scare it into running away. But look, the little cat decides to be brave. It stands its ground and doesn't run. All right, now for something fun. The noun cow is also in some really cool English phrases. If you say you'll wait till the cows come home, it just means you'll wait for ages. And this one is great. Don't have a cow just means, hey, calm down, don't get so upset. So we've learned that cowering is about fear. But you know what? Being brave is always a choice. So think about it for a second. In your life, when is it most important not to cower?